Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix charging on hold. Charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature. So if you find this kind of notification in your home screen or lock screen, so how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply remove your charger if it is on hold, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some second so that iPhone can be cooled down. If you are using your iPhone outside, you have to make sure that you can charge it on inside your house or inside your room so that temperature can be adjusted. So it is due to two reasons. One of the reason is it is too cold, you are using your iPhone and you are set up the charging system in very cold, or the second one is you are charging your iPhone when it is very hot outside or inside. So you can simply change your condition, and which means you have to change the place where you are charging. And the first thing you have to do is you have to simply remove your charger, and the next thing you have to do, you have to simply remove all the apps running in the background, and after that you have to simply close your iPhone for some time so that it can be restarted. So the first thing you have to do, you have to simply press and hold your power iPhone button so that it can be restarted. And after that you have restarted your iPhone, you have to make sure that you have clear all of your memory in the iPhone. In this way it will help the iPhone to cool down if it is very hot. If it is very due to very cold, then you have to make sure that you have to bring it near the temperature where is not very cold. So you have to wait for some time, but either none of the condition exists and it is showing some unknown error. Due to some unknown error, then what you can do is you can simply click on Safari and you have to simply search for Apple Support or Apple Communities, and after that you can simply search for the discussion here, and you can simply ask the question where that you can simply having this kind of error and what is the solution for it. So they will help you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.